mugunda uria thibitari wa KU ukomeire gukiriguo kana magitariria mbere ya kamitii no ni matariria ati niko uthikire njira cia ngungo kuri andu amwe itemi-ini ria gutigirira ati ni megwatira mugunda uyu ukumakiuga ati uthuthuria no urathie na mbere na aria mekunyitikana ni matawe ni megutacokerio makinya maruru ma kiwatho ni miario ya Justin muturi niricokire kunyitwo mbaru ni profesa wa thukuru uyu no ria uikaine ta Paul wainanina mundu witwo Shege wa Njoki ni atinda kamitii-ini yo natuhaririria riboti ino.
Nĩ gĩikaro gĩa kamĩtĩ ya mbunge ĩgiĩ wuigithia wa muingi harĩ utongoria na githomo ikiuria ciuria iguru riigii wigwatiri wa thibitari wa mathomo wa ribaro wa Kenyatta hamwe na mugunda wa ĩka 200 wa thukuru ucio na mutongoria wa watho guku bururiini Justin muturi hamwe na murutani munene wa thukuru ucio wa Kenyatta prof wainanina Paul nĩo mauma mbere ya kamĩtĩ ĩyo gucokia ciuria.
To decide to subdivide on their own, it cannot be subdivided. So where does this leave the institute? The institute, as per the judgment of the court, is part of that land, notwithstanding the history of how it came about. In fact, I believe what may have been raised. I've not seen the audit query, but my imagination would be, since at some point
mugunda wa thukuru ucio waheanirwo ni muingi na njira ya gucangithia kigina miaka-ini ya 50 na 60 na gitumi kinene kia gwaka thibitari wa mathomo wa Kenyatta kiri guteithiriria arutwo a thukuru ucio mathomo-ini mao na mugaru na muoroto ucio mugunda wa thibitari ucio ukigwatirwo ni gikundi kia andu aria matwarithagia mihang'o ya wonjoria.
Goodwill came together. They donated money, public money, okay, in the year of 1960s to 50s. They gave money in form of harambes for this land.
Ndumiriri-ini yake munene wa watho Justin muturi ni akinyiriirie ati wigwatiri wa thibitari ucio ni mugaru na watho na aria megwatire mabatie gutacokirio makinya ma kiwatho ndeto ino ikinyitwo mbaru ni amemba kamitii iyo.
It's a very important issue because if Kenyatta University developed Kenyatta University Teaching, Research and Referral Hospital, then you cannot say that you have taken it away from Kenyatta University and created a parastatal and tell them you now own it.
Na riu kuona igoti onario nirikindirite wigwatiri wa thibitari ucio kuri urugamiriri wa thukuru wa Kenyatta kuma kuri turia nime watho ni ufatie kurumirirwo gutigirira itua tini ria rumirirwo.
I think if we work in conjunction, we will actually resolve, working through parliament, we will issue because
ona gutuika munene wa watho Justin muturi ni akindirite mahitia ma ugai wa mugunda wa thukuru ucio hamwe na wigwatiri wa thibitari wa mathomo wa Kenyatta. Riu ni agacoka kamitii-ini iyo tariki 20 mweri-ini wa kenda mwaka-ini uyu gutariria makinya maria megutacukio gutigirira thibitari ucio ni wacokio urugamiriri-ini wa thukuru ucio niguo kuguna arutwo.
Response on Kiambu, which we have given is most unsatisfactory. I want to confirm that, and I'll ask the committee to give me 1 week. Okay. Maybe next week is going to be preoccupied with
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Shege wa Wanjohi.
Shege wa Wanjohi, thengio muno ni gutigirira ati no watutamburukiria riboti iyo na njira iria yagiriire ngatho cia mwanya. Tugithiriu na mbere, mugathe President William Samoei Ruto ni arikite icera riake ithwiro ria bururi muthenya wa